After Standard 8, I stopped going to school, but after this project came to my village, I was able to continue my studies. I then decided to help other children finish their schooling. Around the world, young children have been found participating in hazardous farming activities. JTI, in collaboration with Winrock International, is implementing the ARISE program, which is aimed at eliminating child labor in tobacco-growing communities and is digitizing its child labor monitoring system supported by schools and communities. Based on blockchain technology, it supports JTI's efforts of progressively eliminating child labor in tobacco-growing communities and ultimately contributing to JTI's human rights commitment.
Using our blockchain-based mobile platform, we'll be able to capture the current information that JTI and ARISE are capturing. Capturing it digitally provides greater transparency, greater visibility, and provides access in real time.
One of the success factors for ARISE is the community participation and community engagement. They will help us to gather more assertive information and better contribute to child labor eradication.
Malawi is one of the poorest countries, and one of the reasons why this country is poor is that we have got limited human capital. Having an educated workforce, it really helps in terms of the development of the country.
This platform will enable community leaders to meet families on a regular basis in the areas where ARISE is implemented. With their consent, it updates important information related to child labor reduction as well as the level of participation to the ARISE activities. BanQ has presented us a great digital tool to monitor the ARISE program initiatives. This tool will be very useful to measure the program's performance indicators, both quantitative and qualitative. I think that this project is bearing fruit because it helps to alleviate poverty in the community. Before ARISE, children were doing tasks not fit for their age. I have now managed to raise money to buy my child uniforms, books and pens. This new technology is innovative, non-paper-based and user-friendly and is deployed on cell phones, laptops or tablets.
What really was also challenging for these communities is simplification of how they collect data. With this technology, it makes it very simple for them to collect the data. They don't have to spend a lot of time filling manual forms, computing sums, etc. to get it right.
Community leaders will quickly report child labor cases in real time whilst developing and proposing adapted activities for the children and their families. The interactive data will present a 360-degree view of the child labor situation, unlocking the benefits of confronting child labor and the impact achieved by withdrawing or preventing young children from this practice. ARISE, achieving reduction of child labor in support of education.